That one's full.
And
Really
then
good.
tip it over.
Yours is a little heavy on that
We have
side.
popsicles for you guys if you want
Woo!
popsicles.
Your fun. Look at that. Go get a
What?
popsicle and enjoy.
Huh?
Go to Alameda!
Sophie, did you
What?
see that?